What's up, guys? Do me a favor, hit that little subscribe button, go boop, boop, boop. That's helping us out. Make sure you like, comment on the video, and that helps us grow. Today, we are going to be installing a little Kemimoto front camera on Dude's 21 Pro XP Ultimate. These machines come from the factory with the rear camera, and his front end of his machine was getting jealous of the ass end of his machine, so he tried to please it by getting this little guy here. Is it necessary on all machines? No, but this will be helpful, especially pulling up to steep hills where you're going down. I know I find myself trying to pop out of the harness all the time to kind of see what I'm looking at, and this will be helpful for him for tire placement, and I don't know, it'll be a neat little thing. So we're gonna install this, see how it works. I know some of the factory ones, I think they limit you to 15 miles per hour. So when we're all done, the General has a factory one, so we'll kind of test them out, compare, and see. It's just a little waterproof camera, aluminum housing, nothing special, super easy to install. Got to drill one hole, and there should be a little factory plug that we can just go boop, and it's in there. All the machines, they come with a little, I don't know, marking for where the factory one would be. So we're just gonna drill a hole there, pop this in, plug it in, and see how it works. All right, dude, your machine, give me the camera, you drill the hole. All right, we got Dude settled down, we got the chainsaw put away and hid it from him, and we're actually going to do this correctly this time. We gotta pop some of these panels off. Flawless execution there. I forgot to mention, this is gonna be for machines with ride command. Us sport guys, this, you can install it, but it ain't gonna do shit. All right, next we're gonna take this plastic piece that Dude just removed and that little outline. We're gonna drill a hole, what was it? What's it
the
say?
backside. Look.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and line it up back here and drill the hole that way. I think is it 787 was the decimal size?
Yeah.
So we're gonna drill a pilot hole, and then that's not gonna work. But we got a 3/4 inch drill, and we're gonna drill through with that. We'll see how this goes. Come on, dude.
Don't be scared. Come on, dude.
Dude's deburring it because he's all about precision. Sounds like he's ripping ass. I hope that's coming through on the camera.
Come on.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I think I broke it.
Great. Look at that.
Boom, look at it.
Like a glove.
Put the nut on there, dude.
Yeah, dude. Nut up.
Nut on.
Nut up or shut up. Alright, camera installed. Flip up this panel, and then we dug through the wires, and it's this guy here. You can see it's got a little boot on it. So we'll pull that off. Dude, don't do it. Hey, what are you now?
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong,
Wrong, wrong, wrong, wrong.
Run the wire through down there. There you go.
Come on. What are you thinking?
Dude, we're looking for that clean show car look. And plug that into the factory harness. And then just slap that there and it's done. Just kidding. So we're gonna put this panel back on. We're gonna leave this one off because we don't know what direction the camera is facing. You know what I mean? We might turn it on and it's like that or like that. So we gotta see. So we're not sure if it just starts, dude, copyright.
Come on, dude.
So we're not sure if once you plug it in, if it just starts working or how this works. So we'll check it out and see if we have to make adjustments.
12 seconds later.
That's the rear one. This is the front one. It's all
All right. You heard it from the man himself. It's fucked up. So we're gonna get this straightened out and then we'll try again.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So it looks like they got it ready. What the f are you doing over here?
Nothing. All right, so now that we have it straightened out, we're gonna tighten this down, hold it in place, and then put the plastics back on, and then we'll take it out in the yard and test it out.
stupid.
Heard that they shut off at a certain mile per hour. You can't just leave the camera on, so we're gonna see if that's true. This is the Kemimoto one, and then the General has the one from the factory, so we're gonna see if there's a difference. I would assume it's something in the wiring, so there shouldn't be. They should be the same, but anyways, we're gonna test it out. I guess it doesn't shut off.
Definitely doesn't cut out. Does it have something to do with the bypass for the seatbelt?
Oh, man, I
They'll just let you go.
Dude hit 40 something. The General hit 30 something. It doesn't look like they cut off at all. Both these machines have a seatbelt bypass, so I don't know if that has something to do with it, but I don't know how it would, but wiring is weird, and I'm not an electrician, so I don't know.
I don't know.
But yeah, it stays on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. La di da di da di da di da. Da da da. All right.
What?